Jeez. Joey, is this our first train ride? Are you so excited?
No, I was thinking at Storyland.
Oh, at Storyland? Oh. Oh, stand up, honey. It's a little dirty on the stairs. Julia, what's today?
My birthday.
That's right. How old are you today? That's right. Big girl. There's Daddy. Do we hear the train coming? Come here, hold my hand. Let's see, Joey, is the train coming? Can you see it? Come here. Hello, Dad. Ready? Can you see it? This is gonna be our first train. Here it comes. I think I hear it. This is riveting television. Oh no. I don't hear it.
Daddy, where are you going?
You want to sing a song, Julia?